Welcome, bye-bye.
Hold on.
It's making a video already.
Oh.
Who is that on Norma?
Nah, somebody. Well, I guess.
Okay. No. Take one.
If life is so fair, why do roses have thorns? Nobody understands me! Not even you! Especially you! Oh crap, I screwed that one up. I hurt myself to feel alive! Oh crap.
This is Easter Sunday.
Look at the cuts all over him. Look at the cuts.
Don't cut yourself, Meg.
It is Easter Sunday. Let's get off the emo egg kit.
Nah.
Jesus! Jesus!
Die!
Oh no! Oh no!
Who's making the deviled eggs?
Not me! Todd! Todd! Nobody understood him.
I wonder why they call him the devil.
Especially